Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover how to select circular saw blades. Okay, here I have three basic 10-inch circular saw blades laid out. All three of them are a carbide tip cutting blade. And basic rule of thumb when selecting a saw blade is the fewer the teeth on it, the faster the cut and the more damage on the board left from the cut, the rougher the cut. So as you step up from, like, let's say a 40 tooth, or excuse me, a 27 tooth to a 40 or a 60 tooth, this saw blade would be designed for rip cutting, making fast, long vertical grain cuts, whereas the one with 40 teeth is better for intermediate all-around use. It'll still give you a fast cut and a reasonable cutting edge. And the higher 60 or above tooth type blades would be used for finish type work, where you need a real smooth cut, cross cutting, stuff of that nature, but they also have a tendency to cut slower. As the saw blade diameters change as well, a 40 tooth 10-inch blade would be a medium cutting, but a 40 tooth 7¼ inch blade would be a fine tooth. So the general rule of thumb is the more teeth, the finer the cut and the slower the cut, and the fewer the teeth, the faster the cut and the more damage or rougher the cut surface. And that's how you select circular saw blades.